Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to wordforum.app. Here is what we have today: how to get a Canva Edu account for free. Okay, so if you're live on wordforum.app, just scroll down, search for the thread how to get a Canva Edu account. Okay, depending on when you're visiting. Okay, if you can't find it on this front page, kindly use this keyword how to get a Canva Edu account for free. Type it on this search bar and it will come up for you. Okay, then you give it a click and you're right on the thread. So now let's go. It is simple. It is very, very simple. Okay, so first of all, this is the website you need to get your Edu email. Okay, before you apply for Canva Edu account, you must have an Edu email. As you can see, there's no Edu email here. So what should you do? Okay, you can refresh, which is one, or best you can delete. As you can see, I refresh, this one is still here. So what should I do? I will just click on delete and wait for it. Another one, I'll click again, delete, wait for it. Bam, we have it. Are you seeing it? .edu email has appeared. Take note, this .edu email is temporary email. Now you need to go to Canva Edu account sign up page. This is the page. So copy it, go to another tab. If you're browsing from your desktop, okay, so let me accept all cookies, sign up with an email, then you return back here. What should you do? You now copy this email. Okay, you can click here to copy, you paste the email. Okay, you paste the then you paste the email, you type the password. You understand? Then you click on get started. Now Canva will send a code. Canva will send a code to that temporary email. Okay, so Canva will send a code to the email. So return back. Remember, this is the email, and scroll down. You should get the code here. Are you seeing the subject? Are you seeing it? Now this is what you should do. In case you return back to the website, you don't need to refresh and you have not seen the message, just wait a bit. Okay, now I will type the code, which is 58040. Okay, now copy it, return back to Canva, paste it, you're good to go. Bam. You have your Edu email for free. I don't know if you're getting it. You have your Edu account for free. And make sure you save the password live on Canva. Save it permanently. Okay, and also look for somewhere to write down the Canva password. Okay, remember the email is temporary. Are you getting it? The email is temporary. As you can see, this is temporary email. Okay, so thank you so much. And for those of you who have not joined wordforum.app, kindly click on register and do what? And join WordForum for more incentive. Okay, thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Mbono Waxing. Hope you enjoy this. Should you are finding it difficult to create Canva .edu account, sign up live on wordforum.app and return back to this thread and drop a comment. Okay, we will review your comment and assist you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.